I've come round this corner down in Butten, and they've put a shot right through the car. And I've leaned forward and it's come through the back of the car, hit the door frame there, went in the engine mounting. Anyway, they've gone past me, went, next time you're fucking dead. And I've just gone, come on. But these kids was lunatics. You know who it is, but I've took it by the reins now, so I've got to deal with it, haven't I? I'm going, fucking kill you. So they're facing me in his car. He's out the window, yeah, you wankin. These kids was running riots and we didn't have a fucking clue. They was on the street crafter and everything. We're just fucking doormen. I can't get out of it. I wouldn't back down to no one in my life. We was going to the auctions for Thursday, buying cheap cars for 200 and 300 quid, just to ram people.